Here's the question. In parentheses, 20 plus 10, close the bracket, divided by, open bracket, 2 plus 3 plus 2, close the bracket, times 8 minus 3, according to PEMDAS. P for parentheses, E for exponents, M for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, S for subtraction, which we apply from left to right. Here, multiplication and division have the same priority, just like addition. And minus addition and subtraction also have the same priority, so we can check them from left to right as well. First, we solve the parentheses, so 20 plus 10 becomes 30. Divide. 3 plus 2 times 8 minus 3. Let's solve the main part, 13. Divide. In this parentheses, 3 plus, it will become 2 times, finally multiply, 8 minus 3 becomes 5. Now let's solve the rest. 30 divided by 5 times 5. Now we'll check this from left to right. From left to right, we give first priority to division and second priority to multiplication. So 30 divided by 5 times 5. 30 divided by 5 is 6 times. Now 6 times 5 equals 30. This is the right answer.